Good morning, students. In last video lecture, that is the first video lecture of integers, we have seen what is integers, how we represent on number line, what will be the result when two integers is multiplied and subtracted on the basis of their signs, and we have done some questions of exercise 6.1 that up to question number 4th we have done. Now today we will do next question from after 4. So moving on, question number 5th. Question number 5th is arrange the following is the list of temperature of 5 places in India on a particular day of a year. Siachen 10 degree below 0 degree Celsius, Simla 2 degree below 0 degree Celsius, Ahmedabad 30 degree above 0 degree Celsius, Delhi 20 degree above 0 degree Celsius, Srinagar 5 degree Celsius above 0 degree Celsius. The temperature has been given. First is write the temperature of this place in the following integer in a blank column. Following is the number line of the temperature in degrees Celsius. Plot the name of city in its temperature. So let us see. First question number 5th. Chapter name is integers. This is the name of chapter. Question number 1. Question number 5th. Fifth solution. Place name, temperature, place is given, temperature is given, and we have to write. First one is Siachen. Siachen 10 degree below 0 degree Celsius. We have to write. Now see what we are doing here. What we will do, similar Ahmedabad, Delhi, Srinagar. What we have to do, we will take 0 degree as a level. So above 0 degree will be plus sign, below 0 degree it will be minus sign. So 0 degree, 10 degree below minus, so minus 10 degree Celsius. 2 degree below, so minus 2 degree Celsius. 30 degree, so it is above, so plus 30 degrees Celsius. 20 degrees, so plus 20 degrees Celsius. And minus 5 degree below, so minus 5 degree Celsius. This will be the here. Now what will be the solution of B part? This is A. Now B. We have to represent city name. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Here -5, -10, -15, -20. minus 25. Now minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. First is Siachen minus 10 degree. So this will be Siachen. ये क्या होगा? Siachen minus 2 degree. So this one is minus 2. This will be Shimla. This one will be Shimla. Ahmedabad 30 degrees Celsius. So this one will be Ahmedabad. (20 degree above). So this will be Delhi. 5 degree below. So this is 5 degree below Srinagar. This is Srinagar. Now see which one is the coolest place. Coolest place will be, coolest place कौन सा हमारा जिसका सबसे कम होगा? That is minus 10 degree Celsius, Siachen. So what will be? Siachen. D. Write the name of all places where temperature are above 10 degree Celsius. 10 degree Celsius कहाँ? दिल्ली and Ahmedabad. So Delhi and Ahmedabad. So we have done question number 5. Now question number 6. In each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other number line? हमें बताना है कौन सा राइट होगा. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 देखते हैं. जिसकी वैल्यू ज्यादा होगी वो लेफ्ट में होगा, राइट में होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. A 2 9 B minus 3 minus 8 C 0 minus 1 D minus 11 10 E minus 6 6 F 1 minus 100. Our rightmost number, rightmost number कौन सा होगा? rightmost. अब 2 और 9 में सबसे किसकी वैल्यू बिगर है? The biggest value number will be in the right of the given number. So 2 9 में 9 होगा. -3 और -8 में क्या है? -3 is bigger. So which number will lie? -3. 0 और -1 में 0 is greater than -1. So 0 will come. -11 और 10 में कौन आएगा? 10 is positive. So 10 will come. -6 और 6 में 6 will come. 1 और -100 में क्या आएगा? 1. Here we have to see also sign. Which sign is there? On the basis of sign, we will decide which number will be in a rightmost and which number will be in leftmost. Now write the all integers in between given pairs. Now we have to write integer in increasing order. First, solution of 7. A. The integers will lie in increasing order. We have to write. So here will be -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. -6 is the smallest integers here, and -1 is the largest. B is -4, 2 plus 4. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. C. Minus 8 to minus 15. So minus 15 is the smallest and minus 8 is greatest in given two number. So we will start minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus up to minus 9 we have tried because minus. Now D is minus 30 and 23. So minus 29, minus 28, minus 27, minus 26, minus 25 and minus 24. So we have a writing increasing. Remember, in the case of negative number whose value is larger, यानी जो नंबर हमें ज़्यादा दिखता है ना उसकी वैल्यू कम होगी माइनस में. सो लार्जेस्ट नेगेटिव नंबर या नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स इज -1. तो हम लोग जब माइनस में हमारा नंबर होगा तो हम लास्ट वाले जैसे 29, हम लोग कोई बोला 29 की वैल्यू ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए, लेकिन 29 की वैल्यू यहाँ पे ज़्यादा नहीं होगी. यहाँ पे वैल्यू होगी किसकी ज़्यादा? -24. यहाँ पे 29 की वैल्यू कम होगी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 is write 4 integers greater than -20. हमें 4 इंटीजर्स लिखना है जो -20 से ज़्यादा है. कोई भी लिखो. Anybody can write any different number. -16, 16, 3, 2. B. Write 4 integers less than -10. अब लेस देन हमें 10 लिखना है तो क्या आ जाएगा? -11, -12, -13, -14. Question number 9. See, for the following statement, write true or false if the statement is false or correct. Right? If statement is false, correct the statement. हमें स्टेटमेंट को करेक्ट भी करना है अगर फॉल्स है तो. 8 is right of -10 on a number line. Yes, 8 will be on the right because the 8 is the greater in between. 8 is greater than -8 is greater than -10. So it will lie in the right of -10. So first statement is true. This is true. 9A. And now moving to B. -100 is right of -50 on a number line. No, -100 is smaller than -150. So this will be false and correction will be -100 is to the left of -50 on a number line. कहाँ होगा? लेफ्ट में होगा. Smallest negative integer is -1. C. It is also false. C is also false. This statement is also false. What will be the -1 is the largest. So correction will be Largest negative integer is largest negative integer is -1. D. -26 is greater than -25. No. -25 will be greater than -26. So D is also false. Correction. -26 is smaller than -25. So we have completed question number 9. Now we will move to question number 10. In question number 10, draw a number line and answer the following. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 में क्या करना है कि हमें नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करना है, उसके बाद हमें उसका आंसर ड्रॉ फिगर ड्रॉ करने के बाद उसे उसका हमें आंसर देना है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, ड्रॉ ए नंबर लाइन. Which number will reach if we move from 4 numbers to the right of -2? सबसे पहले हम नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. A हो गया 0 1 2 3 4 माइनस. हाँ गुरु जी आ जाओ, बैठो 2 मिनट से.
देख भगवान ने भी धूप निकाल दी.
-4. अब देखो कि क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट में क्या बोल रहा है कि -2 से हमें 4 स्टेप राइट की तरफ मूव करना है. तो हमारा -2 ये है, यहाँ से 4 स्टेप, 1 स्टेप, 2 स्टेप, 3 स्टेप, 4 स्टेप. सो आफ्टर 4 स्टेप मूविंग राइट of -2, we will reach at 2. ये हो गया. B. Which number we will reach after if we move 5 to the left of -1? चलो इसी में हम इमेज या दोबारा बना देते हैं नंबर लाइन. 0 1 2 3 4 5 -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -5. तो अब क्या हो गया कि हमें 1 के लेफ्ट में मूव करना है. कितने स्टेप? 5. तो 1 2 3 4 5. कहाँ? एट -4. कहाँ पे? -4 पे. सी. If we are at -8, in which direction we move to reach -30? अब देखो -8 है और -13 पे हमें मूव करना है. तो ये देखो -8 -9 -10 -11 -12 -13 -14. So here to move from -8 to -13 we have to move left how many steps? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 steps left of -8. हमें क्या मूव करना होगा? 5 स्टेप ऑफ -8. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर D. if we are at -6 on number line, in which direction we move to reach? अब -6 है, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. अब 6 से हमें कहाँ मूव करना है? -1. सो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to move 5 step right of -6 to reach -1. So today we have completed exercise 6.1. In next exercise we will do remaining homework, remaining topic and remaining exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.